In this video, I will show you how to get the Roblox voice chat. So in order to do this, it's actually very easy. There's only a couple of things you need to do to actually turn on the voice chat. So with that being said, let's jump into the video and learn how to enable the voice chat. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually come across to roblox.com, and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. So just a quick note before we do continue is your account does need to be 13 years or older. So you can see in the top right hand corner, this account is a 13 plus account. So I would be able to activate the voice chat. Unfortunately at the moment, if you're under the age of 13, you will not be able to choose this feature. So once you're logged in, what you're going to want to do first is come up to the settings in the top right hand corner. Go ahead and give that a click and click on settings. And this is going to bring you across to a page that's going to look like this. So there's a couple of things you want to do from here before you can actually activate the voice chat feature. So what you want to do is actually verify your age first of all. So if you come down here, you've got this verify my age button. So you just want to go ahead and click that to complete an ID verification process, and that's going to go ahead and confirm your age so you can use the chat feature. It's also handy to have a mobile and email address verified at this point to further ensure you will be able to access the feature. So once you've gone ahead and done that and you've verified your details and your age, you then want to come to the menu on the left hand side and then go ahead and click onto privacy. And then from here, you're going to see a page that's going to look like this. And what you want to do is scroll down a bit and you'll see a communication option down here. You can see this is currently set to off. So what we're going to do is click onto the drop down box and just click onto default. So as you can see, if I hover over this question mark, it says that with default, you do enable chats and messages with friends. If you have it off, it disables chats and messages, and you have got a custom feature, which is where you can actually adjust all the settings yourself. So for example, who you can message with, who you can chat with, and so on and so forth. So once you have changed it, then you will get a pop-up saying that it's been saved successfully, and once that's done, you can go ahead and use the chat feature on Roblox. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with the latest tech tutorials. So I just want to take a moment to thank you for watching this video, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.